welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about free samples and why they're worth your time. They totally are. I'm going to share some of the samples that I've gotten recently, but most importantly, I'm actually going to talk to you guys about where you can find the free samples, where you can get free full-size samples, how you can get them mailed to you completely free in the mail, and one of the most important things is how to know whether the free sample is a scam or a real offer. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a quick little look at some of the free samples that I've gotten recently. Obviously there's a range of products from small sample sizes to full-size products to coupons for free products. Sometimes you'll see free samples on a Facebook page from a company, or maybe you'll see a forum for it on their website. For the most part, you can trust those sites and those locations because you'll know that those are legit places to find the free samples. Alright, so I'm going to talk about some weird places you can get free samples. Zulily.com is one of my favorite sites to save money. They have daily deals on everything from baby products. They come with coupons attached as well, which are always great because then you can save money at the grocery store if you do like the sample and you want to buy more. I've almost gotten an entire box of granola bars from Quaker. And these just kind of come randomly thrown in with the orders that I'm purchasing from Zulily, which is kind of random because I didn't request a sample. They're just kind of throwing them in, which is awesome. So, I mean, I even have Garnier samples, I have Centrum samples, I even have Maybelline samples with makeup, and these all have just kind of been thrown in my boxes when I ordered anything from Zulily. So not only am I getting a great deal from them, but I'm also getting some free samples and coupons, which is awesome too. Now, other than filling out forms that you might find online or through Facebook pages, there are a few different ways you can actually request samples to be sent to you. One of those is called Sample Source. Sample Source will let you know if you sign up for their emails when those sample boxes are coming out. And to give you an idea of what came in my most recent box, I have a Colgate travel size. I also have a Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. And I have Flax Plus Multi-Brand Flakes. I have a Refresh. I also have a sample of 7th generation baby wipes with a coupon attached. Breathe Right strips with the coupon, and again another coupon for my Colgate. So that all came in one box for me. It just showed up in my mailbox, and like I said, it's completely free. And they will let you know when their sample box is about ready to come out again. You guys can request it. Alright, another sample site you guys should be paying attention to is called Pinch Me. Their samples typically release on a Tuesday, and you have to answer a few quick little questions in order to see if you qualify for the samples. And they do go pretty fast, but if you are able to get online when they go live, which is typically around 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and they usually go live on a Tuesday, not every Tuesday, but on a Tuesday, then you'll be able to request some samples. So these are some of the ones I was able to request recently. It's Gold Bond Lotion. I have ZzzQuil, Infragrow, Formula. So this is pretty cool too. The last one I want to talk to you guys about is called Influencer. Now, not everyone can sign up to get an influencer box or be picked to be an influencer for that month. You have to actually sign up and see if you qualify, but they give some pretty sweet samples. So let me show you some of the things I've gotten recently from them. I have a bottle of Downy fabric softener, which is a pretty cool sample, don't you think, to be mailed to you. We also have pop chips that came in the mail. I have Werther's Originals. I also have a Goodness Nose Bar, a Mr. Sketch marker that came with a coupon, and the best part about these boxes is that they also send coupons for completely free products. So they might not be able to mail you like a frozen food product in the mail, but they can give you a coupon to get you a completely free one at the grocery store. And it'll tell you how much it's worth. So this one's up to $4.99. So I can buy any product I want at the store, $4.99 or less, and it would be completely free when I handed this coupon to the cashier. It's pretty awesome. The other thing with Influencer is that they actually want you to try the products and give your review on the products as well. It's part of like your deal for getting the product. So I'm gonna have to taste these, see if I like them, and then go back on the Influencer account and let them know what I think. One of the other sites I want to talk to you guys about that I actually don't have any free samples to show you is through the P&G site. Okay, so there's a few different rules that come along with free samples just in general. The first one is that samples typically take 4 to 8 weeks to actually get in the mail. So don't freak out if you don't get it right away because it does take some time to get. But the best part about that is if you continually start requesting free samples every time you see them, you'll start getting free samples in the mail every single week. And who doesn't love getting something completely free in the mail? I mean, it's a lot of fun. And what I typically do is get a big box like this and throw all of my free samples in it. And I kind of have it as my free sample box. So if I get something in the mail, I just bring it home, throw it in the box. And then when I'm ready to get a new tube of toothpaste, do I need to go to the store and buy it? No, I just have to to go grab one of my free sample versions instead. The most important things you want to look out for when you are filling out these forms. These forms shouldn't be asking you to do any offers, to pay any money. They shouldn't be asking you to possibly win something. It is legit, you really do get this for filling out this form. And these are the typical things they're gonna ask you for. Your name, your address, your email address. Sometimes they ask for a phone number, and then you might have to check like a box saying, yes, I opted to email updates, or yes, I'll follow you on Facebook or something like that in order to get the free sample. There shouldn't be any other fluff in there. So if there's other questions or other ridiculously long surveys with all these pop-ups coming up or saying, congrats, you won a $1,000 gift card. That stuff is not legit, and those are not the type of free samples I'm talking about. So I hope I gave you guys some direction when it comes to free samples and what you guys should be looking for and what you should stay away from so you guys know how to get the real samples and you don't get faked out. Again, don't forget to check the description section below my YouTube video so you guys know where to go find these samples and start requesting them on a regular basis, because if you're always requesting free samples, you get things coming in your mail every single week, and it is super fun. So if you guys have any questions for me about free samples or sites that are legit or not legit, leave a comment below